Sri Arvind Sawant.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. The Chartered Accountants, the Cost and Works Accountants and the Company Secretaries Amendment Bill 2021, on which I would like to express my opinion. Sir, I have listened to a lot of people who are expertise, who are chartered accountants. One of the finest man, gentleman Anuragji also spoke very well right now. I listened to you also. Sir, the fact remains that the institutes, right now there is only one institute. I don't know why you are saying institutes. Only one institute is right now. Indian Institute of Chartered Accountants is the only institute in the country. There is no IIT like IIT, IIM, in number of institutes are there in number of regions. Only one institute is there. And as he has rightly pointed out, out of 40 directors or 40 members of the board, 32 are getting elected, 8 are being nominated by the government. What Anurag Sharma ji has expressed, I appreciate one point, he want to upgrade the standards and all. Okay, we is fine, we are supporting that idea. But the fact remains that the autonomy of the institute is being introduced by the government. And what is the interest behind it? The standing committee itself has given a report in which they have categorically mentioned that the appointing a chairman or a president for the disciplinary committee from the bureaucrat is objectionable. And he has given an example that CAG they don't have a chartered accountant. I hope the honorable gentleman will go and clear it, whether the chartered accounts are there in CAG or not. Why you need a bureaucrat? First thing. Secondly, why you need to interfere in this institute or intervene in the institute? Why you want to destroy the autonomy of the institute? And why, while doing so, the institute which has served the country for 70 years, 30, 40 years, whatever it may be, while you brought GST, you brought so many other things, you had a deal with the SEBI, RBI, everywhere. The Chartered Accountant Institute always help them, cooperated them, even in finalizing the taxation also they have come forward and help the government. Now see here, in clause 9A, there shall be a coordination committee consisting of the president, vice president and the secretary of the council of each of the institutes. Each of the institutes. Where are the others? I would like to know. Each of the institutes, there is only one institute. Are you going to form more institutes region-wise? Let it be very clear from that. The cost accountant of India and company secretaries of India for the development and harmonization of the profession of chartered accountant, cost accountants and companies. Is it not, harmony is not there? I would like to know from you. You are a chartered accountant. Whether the harmony is not there. Sir, I am lucky. I stay in Mumbai. Chairman was from Mumbai, I think. 1 minute.
There is no competition between these institutes.
That's what I'm saying.
They are going
1 minute. Harmony
Sawant ji,
is there or
please
not?
address the chair.
I'm asking you harmony. Forget about that. I was really lucky to attend the convocation programs of them. The students. And outstanding, meritorious, as he has rightly pointed out. The engineer did not go. He went to a chartered accountant exam. And then when I was speaking to them, I said, in the entire educational system, chartered accountants are the only ekalavyas. So there is no college. You show me a chartered accountant college in the country. There is no college. The students are studying of their own and appearing for the exam. And I said, you are the ekalavyas. Outstanding. And brilliant students are coming out of it. And when they are doing something, you have lost the trust in that. I do remember in 2017, when the Honorable Prime Minister had addressed them, he had a concern, definitely he had a concern. He had a concern about certain irregularities being done by some of the businessmen and so many people. So many industries have ran away from the country. If you look at the NCLT, somebody has referred it. Look at the NCLT's decision, sir. The way NCLT is working, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, during the after the formation of the NCLT, what are the decisions given by the NCLT? How many cases have dealt by the NCLT, and look at them. Look at Jet. The company which is having a capital of around thousands of crores is being sold for a few crores. And then they ask the bankers. The bankers are who? Our own PSU banks. Do you have any objection? They simply say no. Why? Who's advising to say no to? Because they have given the loan. The deputies from the bank, PSU bank, and in front of the NCLT court, they say, do you have any objection if you get 300 crores or 400 crores? They say no. This is what is happening, and there we need a chartered accountant. As far as the other issues are concerned, I feel the standing committee has 1 minute. I'll just within a minute. I know because a lot of people have talked about it, and I know what are the opinion. I support what are the ideas they are serving. I'll request the honourable minister that look at the standing committee's report, and I will again request you. Better now. Where is the attention? Enlighten me. He can enlighten me on this because what I heard is that the institute is having 15,000 crore rupees with them. Is it correct or wrong? 15,000 crore. 1,500 crores. Sorry, I'll correct it. There's no problem about it. 1,500 crore rupees are with them. Now the government's committee will come. And who will intervene? Where the money will be spent? Nothing is mentioned in this. Finance, no money. वो कह रहे हैं उनको पैसा नहीं देना है. अरे पैसा नहीं, उनके पास पैसा है. आपका ध्यान उस पैसे पे है क्या? वो भी तो बताओ.
Please
ये भी तो मालूम पड़ने तो हमें. Please conclude now. Attention over there. That is what I feel, and therefore I request the chairman to the minister, to the minister. Let us send this bill to the selection committee again. Let us discuss this elaborately, and let us come with a very good bill which will protect the investors also and which will serve the institute also. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Sri Adhiranjan Chaudhary.
Sir, हमारा member रह गया sir. One member is left from our end, sir. One member is left, sir. Here also.
Oh, sorry. Oh, BJP 10 is there, na? Yes. Sri Ravi Kishan.